So here's a common mistake a lot of people make when they're selling their product or their service. And that's talking about the features instead of the benefits of whatever they're selling. So let's say, for example, you're a car salesman and you're trying to sell a minivan. Now typically the customer who would be interested in buying a minivan is somebody who has kids. Now if you're trying to sell that minivan by only talking about all the features that it has, for example, it has an automatic sliding side door, it has GPS navigation, it has third row seating, you're less likely to sell that minivan because the customer doesn't have a clear understanding on how those features would benefit them. Now, if you do talk about the benefits, then you're more likely to sell that minivan. So if you mention how that sliding side door is going to save your customer time when they're picking up and dropping off their kids from school, they're going to picture that in their mind. Or how that GPS navigation will make sure that they don't get lost when they're taking a family road trip and their kids won't be bugging them asking, "Are we there yet?" Or how that third row seating will give their kids plenty of space so they won't be fighting with each other. One important thing to realize is that most customers don't really care about all the features, they just really care about what's in it for them and how your product or service will benefit them. Now, if you want to learn more tips on how to grow your online business, or if you want to learn how you can start earning using social media even without a huge following, make sure to follow me.